welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm doing a grocery haul and I'm going to show you what I purchased today. Let me show you that right now. I bought the bacon from Sam's. I showed you that once before. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. And we have Bill's cousin here. He loves white bread, so I got this bread at Walmart's so that he can make some sandwiches and things like that before he leaves. And Bill's favorite. Bought those at H-E-B. Just pile this stuff up over here. And bought some tahini because I like it. I like cooking with it on my meats and so on. And just like taking a teaspoon of it if I'm getting hungry or something and eat it. So let me get the next bag here. This is for me, my face. I got that at H-E-B to take off my makeup. So, part of it. Okay, I found this sauce here. It has no sugar, which I'm totally surprised, which I love this brand anyway, but today I went to the large H-E-B in Killeen, Texas, and this is where I bought that from. So, I mean, that's a great find. And so I wanted to try this, the Fredo sauce. I'm gonna make a dish with this a little bit later this week, so you will see that. But it has 0 sugar. It is keto friendly, so that's a great find. Okay, hold on a second, I will be right back. Got all this stuff. Most of it from Aldi, turkey. So let me put that over there. And Bill likes these. He loves these things, salami. And we got some more cheese. And I'm gonna make a pizza this week, a keto pizza. That's gonna be in my grocery haul. Notice I already have my dinner already prepared in the Instant Pot. So this is cheese. I bought some more cheese in here now. I bought all of this at Aldi's. This is for the pizza. I could shred the cheese myself, so I don't need to have anybody else shredding it and putting adding carbs to it. So let me just place this over here. I like cabbage. Cabbage is very low carb, so I'm gonna do a dish with this probably next week sometime. You'll see that coming out. And I love these beans here. So they're very low carb, so it's a great find. And Bill likes that. So he like hot, spicy stuff like I do. And I bought some mushrooms. Then I bought some chicken breast tenders. So I hope you can see that. Let me see, I think I need to move some of the stuff on this side. I bought some broccoli and green bell pepper. Green bell peppers has less carbs than red and orange bell peppers, just so you know. And since Bill's cousin, he likes carbs, so I will be making him some rice with some of this stuff. This is one of the other items that I love, hot Italian sausage. So let me put that there. And this is catfish. I bought at H-E-B. These Italian sausage, I bought those at H-E-B as well. A lot of the other meats I bought at H-E-B. Just that. And of course, ground turkey at H-E-B. You can see that. So I'm going to be making meal prep with a lot of this food here. And I have the bills for H-E-B. I spent $42.89, which is not bad at all. The sales tax here is very low sales tax, so that always come in handy. And your money goes a lot further here in Texas. At Aldi, I only spent $15.53, so that was a great buy today. So you will see a lot of these products in the future, next week probably, what I eat in a day, and also meal prepping. So, oh, and I did buy some tomatoes. So this was also in the grocery haul. And I forgot to mention grapeseed oil. So I got some grapeseed oil. That's for frying, and sometimes I use coconut oil. So my crock pot is about to go off, and it's definitely hot. I touched it. Today in the crock pot I have some greens and some turkey legs in there. I don't have anything in the fryer, so we'll have greens, turkey, and a large salad today for dinner. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great week, and thank you for subscribing and sharing and commenting on my videos. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Have a wonderful day. I forgot to tell you about the chicken wings that I bought at Aldi, and the P3, the 8-pack, is from Sam's. So that will end this video, the grocery haul.